it's Mindy from MommyMouseClubhouse.com, and today I'm sharing one of those dinners that seriously makes life easier. My easy one-dish meatball casserole. This is a true dump and bake recipe, which means no boiling, no extra pans, and barely any prep. Just toss everything together, pop it in the oven, and you've got a cheesy, comforting meal that the whole family will love. If you're looking for a quick weeknight dinner that tastes amazing without all the work, you're going to want to try this one. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any new recipes, and let's get started. Here are the ingredients that you'll need. 1 jar of spaghetti sauce, 3 cups of water, 16 ounces of frozen meatballs, 16 ounces of uncooked pasta, 1½ cups of shredded mozzarella, 1/2 cup of shredded Parmesan, 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. Start by spraying a 9x13 baking dish with nonstick spray. Pour in the jar of marinara sauce. Add a little bit of the 3 cups of water to the empty sauce jar and give it a shake to loosen the sauce on the sides of the jar. Pour the rest of it into the pan, along with the remaining water. Add 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes to the dish and stir to mix. Place the uncooked pasta and the frozen meatballs in the sauce and stir to coat evenly. Cover the dish with aluminum foil and bake at 400 degrees for 35 minutes. Remove the casserole from the oven and take off the foil. Stir the pasta and the meatball mixture. Top the pasta with 1½ cups of shredded mozzarella and 1/2 cup of shredded Parmesan cheese. Return the dish back to the oven and bake uncovered for an additional 10 to 15 minutes until the cheese has melted. Remove from the oven and let the casserole rest for 5 minutes before serving.
We have breakfast in bed. Pour the coffee and kiss me. We are both keeping work. There's a bird singing loud in the palm tree.
I hope you love this easy dinner recipe as much as I do. The full recipe is in the description, or you can get the printable version by scanning this QR code or visiting MommyMouseClubhouse.com. Please remember to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.